Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And so for today's video, I'm just going to be doing a very productive vlog because I have a lot of stuff that I want to get done today. I need to meal prep, and then I also need to do some laundry, clean around my apartment, just kind of stuff like that. And so I thought I would just go ahead and take you guys along with me. Also, I do have to do some type of workout today. If I'm being honest with you guys, just the past couple of days, I have just been so unmotivated. Like yesterday, I didn't work out at all. And today, I'm just not feeling motivated to do anything. I don't know. I feel like these past couple of days, I have been in kind of like a weird funk and I don't really know how to get out of it. So I don't know, but I'm thinking I might just go for a hike today instead, just to kind of like clear my mind and just kind of go on a nice little hike. And so I think I'm gonna do that instead of like running today. So I'm about to just go ahead and change out of my work clothes and then just head off to the hike. I think that's what I'm gonna end up doing, just because I need to do something to just kind of like clear my mind, get my thoughts all in order. So yeah, that is the plan. So I just pulled into a parking lot and I am here right now at Radnor Lake, which is where I'm gonna go for a hike. If you guys are in the Nashville area, I would definitely recommend checking out Radnor Lake. It's a really great hiking trail. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go for my hike right now and just kind of clear my mind, clear my thoughts, all of that type of stuff. So yeah. Hi guys, so I just got done with my hike and it was honestly exactly what I needed. I feel like this is the perfect place for me to go personally, just to kind of clear my head. It's like the perfect distance. It's just like so beautiful here and I really like it. I'm about to just head back to my apartment because I have a lot that I need to get done. So of course, I'll keep you guys posted with everything that I do so you guys can be productive along with me when you guys are watching this video. So I just got back home from my hike, and so now the first thing that I need to accomplish is I'm going to go ahead and do some laundry. And so I want to wash all of my sheets on my bed. And so that is like the first task of today. And then I also need to put away my laundry that I washed the other day because I've been lazy and it's literally just been sitting on my floor in my basket. And so I need to go ahead and put all of my clean clothes away. So that is kind of like the first couple of tasks that I need to do, and just kind of make my bedroom clean, because I feel like my bedroom gets messy so quickly and it just like drives me insane. I feel like I'm literally cleaning it like every single day. And so those are kind of like the first couple of tasks that I want to accomplish. So now that my laundry is in the washer and everything, I'm going to kind of clean up my kitchen first. I just have a couple of pans that I need to wash, and then after that I'm going to go ahead and start meal prepping. And so yesterday I went to the grocery store and I got some ground sirloin, and that is what I use to make meatballs for whenever I make like spaghetti and meatballs and stuff like that. And so I'm going to go ahead and make some meatballs. And then I also bought some strawberries and bananas, and so I'm going to go ahead and cut those up and then put them in the freezer so I'll be able to have those for my smoothie. So yeah, that is the plan for right now. So these are the ingredients that I use and like how I meal prep and everything like that. And so I get this ground sirloin from like wherever. I just picked mine up from Publix. And then I put in 1 egg, and then I put in some of this sauce, and then I also put in some breadcrumbs. And normally I'll put in some Parmesan cheese, but I currently don't have any. And so there's really not that many ingredients in these meatballs, but they taste so good. And so I put all the ingredients in here and then I just start making them, and I'll put 3 meatballs in each little container, and then I'll just put these straight in the freezer. And so then the night before I want to make them, I'll just take one of these out and then put them in my fridge, and then that way when it comes time to have dinner, I'll just put it in the oven and it's good to go. So that is kind of how I meal prep my meatballs, and so that is what I'm going to go ahead and do right now. Okay, so my meatballs are now all done, and so this is perfect because now I have dinner for 5 separate days, and so this is great. And then now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut up my strawberries and then my bananas and then put them in the freezer so they will be cold for my future smoothies. So now I am all done meal prepping, and I just went ahead and put my sheets in the dryer, so now they are drying, and now I am honestly starving. I am so hungry, and so I'm gonna go ahead and make myself some dinner. And so I think what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make my like usual spaghetti and meatballs, and then I also have some asparagus, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and put my meatballs that I just made in the oven. And then I honestly am just feeling kind of lazy, and so I think I'm just gonna do some of my frozen gnocchi that I have from Trader Joe's, and that's gonna be like my pasta with my meatballs, and then I have my asparagus. So that is gonna be my dinner tonight, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start cooking that. So this is my finished dinner for tonight. So I have my meatballs that I made a little while ago, some Trader Joe's gnocchi, and then some asparagus. So I just got done eating dinner, and then I went ahead and took a shower, and now I'm gonna go ahead and make my bed because my sheets and everything and my comforter are all done in the washer, and so now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed. I just love getting into bed at night with like freshly cleaned sheets. I just feel like I sleep like a million times better, and I haven't really been able to sleep recently, and so I'm just like so excited to go to bed tonight. But anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my bed now. Now that my bed is all nicely made, now it is time to tackle my like next chore, I guess you would say, which is this clean pile of laundry that I have put off to fold and put away. So now I need to go ahead and put all those clothes away, and then I think what I'm gonna do is afterwards I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A because I'm craving a milkshake right now, and Chick-fil-A has like the best shakes, and I only live like 2 minutes away from a Chick-fil-A, and so I think I'm gonna do that. Today is doing everything that I like hate doing. So like meal prepping, I hate meal prepping, I hate washing my sheets, I hate making my bed, and I hate putting laundry away. So I think that like deserves a shake anyways. So I'm back home now, and I got my shake, and I'm so happy because literally Chick-fil-A cookies and cream milkshakes are literally the best thing to ever exist. They are so good. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog right here, and so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So there's always new content on my channel, and make sure to follow me on my social medias. I will make sure to leave those in the description box down below so you guys can go ahead and check them out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.